I guess you never learned your lesson.
No, you get stung once and then you get stuck. Then you get a beehive.
Uh-oh, it's one on my hand. What do I do? Woo! Right on my hand.
So, I was standing there, there's good importation of
Okay. Oh, you a funny dude. Why don't you come over here and film? You can move with the camera. I'll take pictures. Come over here and hold your camera, man. I got bees landing on my... Hey, come stand over here, brother. Let me answer you. I want to get... Just pay attention. Oh. He trying to...
He's like, some of you, this is rare.
Okay.
But some of you are going to have a cold sensation up here.
What are they doing right now?
They're all eating.
They eat the honey?
Yeah.
So how do they eat the honey and form it?
Well, to form the wax that they're storing this in, they eat honey and they link together in a chain, and then they produce wax platelets underneath their abdomen.